Hello kiddies! Welcome to Fridge Fucks. I'm Danilo, and in today's episode, Papai, meu cu tá sujo, we will talking about hygienical bodies.
Daddy, help me!
I thought I told you to go shower, boy.
You did, but I don't know what I'm doing. What order do I shower in?
Have you gone absolutely mental, Nelson? The lad's a retard.
Greetings and salutations. Etiquette alert, Nigel. Modern parlance refrains from using the abbreviation retard, as it is highly offensive.
Not now, robot line.
Please explain your current predicament.
I don't know how to shower. What do I wash first?
Doesn't bloody matter, does it?
Allow me to search the internet. Experts on Reddit suggest that the most economical pattern of activity is an overall, vertical motion, cleansing one's body from the top down. Wash both the back and front sides of the upper body entirely before moving on to the lower body.
What the cuck are you on about?
What about me, Willa? Is that upper or lower body, Robert Lan?
That is an excellent question, Nelson. Is dick top or bottom? We will finding out together right after check-in with our Hispanic buddies. Man, what?
What do you reckon, Robert Lan? Is me willy in me top half or bottom half? Or is it neither? Because if I don't wash it, I'll get smegma. Not again.
Did you know that in my country, smegma is considered a delicacy?
Although there is no consensus in the medical literature, I posit that a suitable alternative is to designate one's middle section as a sector of its own.
You dirty bastard, robot line. If he washes ass cock, he could get shitty dick. But if he does cock ass, he'll end up with a puby bum.
Calculation error.
But you already have pubes in your bottom, Dad. I've seen it. It's well hairy.
Look, lad, just don't go well at bum in the shower, yeah? 'Cause if one of your mates finds a pube in your crack, they'll think you're well gay.
Logical fallacy detected. If a same-sex friend is looking that closely at your anus, probability dictates that you are currently engaged in homosexual behavior.
Yeah, and what's wrong with being a gay? I love the gays, me.
So today, we learned not to put pubes in your butt, but only if you are a boy, because men love women with puby buttocks. Join us next week to finding out more about puberty. Alright, Nan, I'm off now.
You going home then, love?
Yeah, heading back to my house.
Back to your mouse? That's absolutely lovely. I didn't know you lived with a mouse, dear. Now, is he more of a pet or a flatmate? Could be difficult, that, couldn't it? Because how can a mouse afford rent? Unless, of course, he's an actor mouse, like out one of them Harry Potter films or something.
No, Nan, not mouse. My home.
Your mouse is in Rome? Well, he must be very well off doing his Hollywood films and that. Does he live there, or is he just on holiday? Or perhaps he's making a film right now. Fancy that. That's a very posh mouse indeed. Not many mouses can afford that lifestyle, I bet.
Mouses? It's mice, Nan.
Yes, it is nice, isn't it? Really making the most of life.